This is the fifth CSS battle, acid rain, and this is the last solution from my last fourth CSS battle. We will remove this in some time, but first we need to analyze it. So we have background color that is same in each CSS battle. Then we need one, two, three. I think circles. All are circles, but the one border radius is set to 0 and other are 50%, right? So here we also, I think we can reuse this code, almost all of the code. So just let me change the background color of the body background color. Then ABC are same, position absolute, background color, yes. I will change background color to this V, and this background color I will only set for B. For B I need different background color. Nice. Now I have background color for B also. Now I need to position them. So this will be A, then B, then C. So A is our default, right? So this one. But first let me also change. Should I change border radius here only? Yes. Border radius of 50% for each. Right. Now I am going to remove this border radius thing from here. From C I have A and C, and same let me remove from here also. Now we have three circles, but first circle position I need to set. Here is I have left, and left I think this value will be around 200. 200. Wow, I'm not sure why 200 is that much. Where is my A? Let me check top. Okay, this is A, I think, right? Yes, this is A. And then top I need to set to only 30. And now I need to increase width, also width to 130 and height to also 130. Now let's check. It is big, right? Let me change to 120. Yes, 120 is correct. Yes, it is matching. Nice. Nice. A is in the correct place. Now I need to move B. B is here. So left will be -100 and top will be +100. And let me open that div. Then I can position it left -80 or -50. No, 60. Yes, 60 is correct. And top also 60 will be correct. Or 60. Yeah, 60 is correct. Second is also in correct position. Now for the third one, I need, I think, same. -60 and 60. Okay, so that I can put in same. B and C block, I can have it in same. Let me put in new lines. It is becoming complicated. That I can simplify it later. Like I can remove the spaces later, but first complete it. I need one block for B and C. So this will be a B comma C block. Then here I don't need this thing. But for B I need different background color. And for B and C I need different border radius. So for A and C we don't have anything common. So I can remove this. And here I need border radius start and border radius should be 0. Nice. Now I think our diff will be 100%. Yes, it is 100% matching. Now I only need to remove some spaces, then we are good to go. Yes, let me submit it. 216. Now I completed in 204. Highest score is 290. Yes, 100% match with 204. We again achieved the high score in Fourth is drain level. Wow.